Wagon time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door wagon, 6-passenger variety. As you can see, riding an American Racing. Polished wheels, 5 spokes, disc brakes up front. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevy V8 powered, power steering, power brakes. And that's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. I'll let you take a look at the chrome bright work. Now, as far as the paint goes, it looks in the video and the pictures, it's going to appear black. You get right on top of this, it's got a light, kind of a wine colored flake in it, and it's really tough to get the camera, pictures, video to do it justice. It'd be very cool to see out on a sunny day, but some real fine. There you can see the reflection of the ceiling. So paint shows well, yes, it's a dark color. You're going to have imperfections that you can see here and there in it. But if I get right on top of it, and it's tough, I can't get it to pop out. But there's, like I said, a light kind of wine color flake to it. Interesting look. Ultimately, from a little ways away like this, yes, it does look black, but I kind of want to make you aware of that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Red interior. Bench seat up front, does have a little wear over there on the passenger side, and we're going to check that out here in just a bit. Aftermarket Alpine radio that does work. Automatic shifter on the floor. Take a look up and down passenger side of this car, and it is a true Bel Air, FYI. Be able to see a picture of the data tag and the VIN tag in with the still pictures. I rolled the rear window down so you would know it is power, and it does work. See the speakers in the rear of it. And again, you'll be able to check that all out in the still pictures. One other thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're viewing it on YouTube. Rear end of this, 355 gears. Also, if you look at the underside pictures, you're going to notice it has new mufflers and exhaust pipes. So you'll be able to see that on the underside. This car came out of long-term ownership. We actually sold it quite a few years ago. I think the gentleman has had it the last 12 to 13 years. Did notice one little spot, some imperfections down here. You can kind of see that just along the door. Again, being pretty picky. It'd be a fine one to get in, drive, take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local car shows. Check out the rear seats. You can see the vinyl in the back of the front seat. Good. Door panels, upholstery cloth. Good shape in the rear seat, and of course that one would fold down for more cargo area. And let's take a peek at the front. Door panels, also in good shape. Now here's where that one little spot of wear was at. Right here. Otherwise, the rest of the fabric looks good. Carpeting also has floor mats that I'll throw back in there, but I just wanted to show you the carpeting in the video here. Wipers do work. I mentioned that the radio works. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. It's always fired right up too. I'm going to roll that rear window up too. Just want to show you that that works. Switch is right underneath the dash, right there. And I did roll it up, so we'll check that out when we get to the back. Little aftermarket temp gauge, it looks like, underneath the dash. And then, of course, once again, Alpine stereo. So that does work, as you can hear. Check out the dash. Also in good shape. Slip around to the side of this. It has side exiting exhaust from the rear wheels, you can see there. moisturized exhaust mufflers. So nothing crazy. No over the top cam, no over the top exhaust. There you can see the rear window is up. Alright, let's slip up to the front. We'll check out this engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look under the hood. Again, 350 is paired with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, HCI ignition, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb, and as you can hear, smooth running V8. Nothing over the top, no headers. The exhaust manifolds there. '64 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door wagon. Ready to go? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email in.